symbol which means help us to help you. If you look carefully, you'll see that it's a person with its hands reaching down and another person with its hands reaching up. So it's a graphic and it's in the pictorial language of the Africans before they had written language. And the writer is from the old colonial usage of the word, which is somebody who helps you with your business. What do? We do conferences, of course, as you know. We've also recently entered into publishing. You will see a magazine on your tables. It used to be a quarterly, we are now launching it as a monthly. We're just waiting for legal approvals on the change of the frequency to get it on the stands. So IBH has agreed to distribute, so probably as early as next month, you will see it in at least the upmarket retailing outlets. We do consulting, which some of you are familiar with, more on the outsourced CMO kind of a platform, and we also do training workshops specifically on marketing. What are our plans? One of the things that has happened without us consciously trying it is that the messaging of marketing was, when we started 2 years ago, only the CMOs were interested, whereas now we find that CXOs are also interested because more people understand that, just because you're a CEO doesn't mean you shouldn't look at marketing. In fact, it is the one space that you really should be focusing on for growth. So we're seeing a lot more interest from CXOs for marketing programs. Then another thing we got feedback is that we should listen to guys who've been to our previous events, subscribe to our newsletter and so on, and because it's evolving, what do they want to hear? So we're setting up an advisory council to tell us how to engage better with the community. We've also, those of you who visited our corporate site and found it a little difficult to use, so we said we're going to separate out the CMO properties in terms of the marketing content and the case studies and the interviews and move that into cmoindia.com. And lastly, of course, I already mentioned we're launching a magazine as a monthly. So today's session is built around the key trends that we're seeing. So one is definitely customer centricity. Everybody wants to build their business around the customer. We've evolved from pure CRM, customer data, and so on into true customer centricity in at least some cases. Anytime, anywhere, everybody's seeing that. I want to consume anytime, anywhere I am, I want to get it. Media fragmentation is something else that everybody would have seen across English, as well as the rise of regional media, seeing a lot of media fragmentation. So how do you actually reach the customer? So as far as the customer is concerned, it's great. I've got this TV channel that only 25 people in the world watch, but I've got it in my TV. But then from an advertising point of view, do you really want to do that? And in fact, we just did a program in Delhi and we had the regional media channels there, and they said, it's not just the language, because, for example, they said if you do an Anna Hazare protest coverage, so on the Marathi channel, it is completely pro Anna Hazare. And on the Hindi channel, it is neutral because they're not sure. On the Bengali channel, it is actually anti-Anna Hazare, saying he's a fraud and a hypocrite. So he said, based on the audience, your content has to change. And he said, while the media guys are doing this, very few advertisers actually try to customize their content to meet what the customer is looking for. It's just the same ad with just a language change. So that's something we're seeing. Social commerce, a lot of goods which are consumed, not necessarily digitally, are still influenced now through the social media. And lastly, the cross-functional customer ecosystem, which is no longer does marketing hold the fort, it is actually a joint effort between customer assurance, production, delivery, and everything else.